In this video, I'll show you how to write better prompts in Kling AI and get more accurate AI video results. First, open Kling AI and start a new video generation. Before writing your prompt, decide exactly what you want to see in the final video. A strong prompt should clearly describe the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. Instead of using a very short instruction, give Kling AI enough information to understand the scene. For example, instead of writing, "a woman walking in a city," you can write, "a young woman walking through a busy modern city street at sunset, natural body movement, gentle wind moving her hair." Warm cinematic lighting and a smooth camera tracking shot. Notice that the second prompt explains not only the subject, but also the action, environment, movement, lighting, and camera. When describing motion, be specific. Tell Kling AI what should move and how it should move. For example, you can describe a person slowly turning around, a car moving forward, or leaves gently moving in the wind. Camera instructions can also improve your results. You can mention a slow zoom, tracking shot, camera pan, close-up, wide shot, or cinematic push-in when appropriate. Try to keep each prompt focused on one main scene. If you include too many unrelated actions, the AI may produce inconsistent results. If the first generation is not correct, don't completely change everything. Identify